Hi guys, so today we're in Blackpool with one of our mentee students, Rachel. She's just secured her first flip about 3 weeks ago, started. We're here today to have a look at how she's getting on, some goals, run you through some numbers and figures and go from there really. So should we have a look inside?
Yeah, great.
Let's go.
Okay.
So as we go in, a lot of building work going on.
Yes, you'll have to excuse it is a building site at the minute. We've got some great guys doing a rewire.
Nice.
Should we go into the
first
lounge?
So this is the main lounge, I take it, yeah?
That's right, yeah. So the plan is we're going to rip out this fireplace.
Okay.
And obviously rewire, put some sockets so TVs can go on walls. And we're going to knock through this wall.
Yeah, okay.
The other side of this wall is the kitchen. So I thought for a nice modern family house, having an open dining kitchen.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I think, should we have a look at the other side?
Yeah. So this is the kitchen. It's very old. So
be nice size once it's all open.
Absolutely. So this is the wall that'll be coming down, and we're going to block up the doorway that we just walked through, so that we can put in an L-shaped.
All around.
L-shaped kitchen here, so it'll have a nice flow to it, be nice and open, which has involved moving the sink from here to here.
This is all getting ripped out.
Everything's being ripped out, ceiling, tiles, floor tiles, everything.
And then here, what's the plan?
So I'm pretty much leaving this as is, just want to put in some plumbing and electrics here so that if they wanted to use this as a utility, put washing machines, they can do that, yeah.
Okay. Nice. I think it'll look really good once it's all opened up.
Yeah, I think so. It's got lots of natural light, so that'll flow through quite nicely. I'll show you through to the lounge. We've got a downstairs toilet as well that's just going to be cladded in new sanitary ware. And then in here, we've got some guys working on the rewire, taking out this fireplace here and just creating an alcove, and just putting in some new sockets, switches, and new radiators, decor and flooring.
Yeah, looks really good, honestly. Very nice. So is that downstairs?
That's downstairs. Okay. There's the hall as well.
Yeah, let's head up.
It's got a lot of character, this house, as well. So we're trying to keep as much of the...
I've noticed that. It looks really nice.
Yeah, the original sort of, cosy family
I mean, it's
feel.
Massive open upstairs.
It is. It's a really nice landing.
So, plans then. So you got the master bedroom. Yeah, it looks like it's in good condition already.
Yeah, it's not too bad. We're obviously going to see what happens with the rewire, put in some new sockets, change the radiator.
And you plastered the ceiling, it looks like.
Yeah, well, we didn't. Yeah, that was already plastered, luckily, so that was handy. Yeah, it'll just be making good after the rewire.
Yeah, really good.
But it's a nice size.
Is it carpets all upstairs?
Yeah, carpet all upstairs and some laminate downstairs, carpet in the lounge.
Okay, perfect.
So I'll show you the smallest bedroom. This is the third bedroom. It's a box room. The plan in here is to box in some of these pipes.
The pipe works, yeah.
Yeah, and then again just rewire. I'm imagining this would be a child's bedroom. So
yeah, a small bedroom, or even an office if there's not any children. So yeah, nice.
Radiator, decor.
Yeah.
Carpet should be nice and quick.
Brand new soon, yeah.
Yeah, here we will.
Really good.
And then I'll show you the second bedroom.
Oh, nice. It's a nice size as well. Wow.
Yeah, it's at least a double.
Yeah, definitely.
The plan is to rip out these fitted wardrobes, create alcoves, which will...
On both sides.
Yeah, make it look bigger and gives a bit of character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I presume you're keeping the windows, they look fine.
The windows are fine, it just needs a bit of new sealant and UPVC. But generally it's in a good condition.
Yeah, it looks it.
Again, rewire, decor and carpet.
Pretty much the same as most rooms.
Yeah,
all need a full reworks.
They're all in a fairly good condition though. Yeah.
Okay. The bathroom I did notice, it looks quite nice. I haven't actually seen many of these where the toilet's separated from the shower.
Yeah, it's a very old-fashioned thing, isn't it?
So you're gonna are you gonna keep that in there or move it?
No, we're going to try and we're going to move the toilet from in there to the other side of this wall.
Yeah.
That room will become like a storage unit, like just just an empty room so they can put things in.
Got the old shower that's going.
In here we've got somebody tomorrow or Wednesday knocking out all this old shower, this and this ceiling.
Yeah.
At one point, I was thinking of making a master bedroom ensuite here and a family bathroom here, but the return on investment just wasn't there. I just thought, no. And for my first one, I didn't want to overstretch myself.
Yeah.
So the plan is clad all the walls, bath here, sink unit with an electric mirror here.
Nice.
Toilet and towel rail.
Yeah, look really good.
It'll look nice and modern.
I think I noticed about every room. It doesn't seem like it needs that much doing. Like
no.
And there's not much damage, so
no, it's okay.
Simple.
Yeah,
really good.
And that's it. And about like getting the plasterer after the rewire, at least he knows it's the whole house.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the loft, I noticed it was down early. It's shut now.
Yeah.
What's the plan with that? It did. I know they've got the roof guys are outside. It looks big enough to have rooms up there. Are you planning on doing that or?
No, not planning on it. It's definitely big enough that you could put stairs in the third bedroom and have 2 bedrooms up there, even put a bathroom up. But again, for my first flip, I didn't want to overstretch myself, and the return on investment I wasn't sure about. So I thought just leave it, but there is potential.
The priority is you to get the most money.
Yeah, and it would just slow down the process.
Exactly.
So and we've had to replace the roof, but it's also the reason we got the house. The spray foam insulation in the loft made it unmortgageable, but that's also how we got the house.
Yeah,
so
fair enough.
It's good.
Yeah.
Should I show you back downstairs?
Yeah, of course. Have you got any plans of the garden or the front? I know it's quite small.
Just to tidy up, really. I don't want to be making huge changes here.
Yeah.
So just tidy up the grass, give it a good jet wash.
Yeah, once it's all
keep this
new grass jet washed, it'll all be.
Keep all this ornate metal work.
Yeah.
I think from the outside, it's a really beautiful house. So
it looks massive. It's nice, appealing.
It does, and it's a quiet street, so it's kind of hopefully going to be the perfect family home.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, it really looks it. And to be honest, a lot of the time you don't need to overcomplicate it. Like it's as simple as trimming the bushes and making it look neat.
Yeah.
And it'll, without spending too much, you can make it look like a completely different property.
Yeah, exactly.
So Rachel, if you don't mind running us through the numbers on the property.
So I purchased it for 140,000. The refurb is going to be 57,000, including all legals. It's 16,500, and we are set to make £34,500.
Wow, brilliant! Yeah, amazing. And your very first flip as well. Exciting. And I've got one more thing from us that I wanted to give to you today as a little appreciation. This is for you.
Thank you very much.
So £34,000 profit on your first flip is amazing.
Oh
so
my gosh!
Appreciation to you for the hard work you've put in to this point. And yeah, amazing.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, that's really great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.